Hi, good afternoon. Vince Attardo with Coastline Environmental Solutions. On the subject of water damage, categories 1, 2, and 3. What's the difference between 1, 2, and 3? 1, typically potable water, drinkable water. You can dry the wet materials rapidly with a dehumidifier and air movement using psychrometrics. The air mover creates rapid evaporation with laminar airflow, especially if you have it on the right direction. The lower portion of a wall should be about 15 degrees, should have holes drilled in the wall just below the baseboard line. Take the baseboard off and you can ventilate that wall about inch and a half, maybe every 4 inches. You want to put holes to vent the wall cavity so you can dry it. Category 2, that's not necessarily going to be the way to go. Category 2 would be gray water, laundry water, toilet overflow, fish tank. Those are gray water. Even rainwater is considered non-clean water. You would most likely be better off taking the baseboard off and actually removing the lower portion of the wall 2 feet up. Category 3, same thing, only more significant. The gray water is kind of murky, dirty water. Category 3 is sewage. It's considered black water. It doesn't have to be black to be black water, however. It could be clear and still be black water. Dwell time is what constitutes the difference between something that's gray or black, is the duration of time the materials have been wet. So keep that in mind. Dwell time will change a category 1 to a category 2, a category 2 to a category 3 due to dwell time, usually every 72 hours. Remember, keep Coastline in mind for all your cleaning and restoration needs. Thank you.